What are those?
Yeah.
Earphones.
I don't know.
Yes, they are. Where are the mints? Did you forget where they are? May I have one? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what a mess. Let's pick those up and put them in there. Is one for me?
Yeah.
Come help me pick these up. Does Panda like the mint?
Yeah. Need the mint.
He needs a mint? Why does a dog need a mint? Did you get 2 mints?
Yeah, I got 2 mints.
I thought you only asked for 1.
No.
Who needs another one?
No.
Which doggy?
Panda.
Panda needs another one? I didn't even know he liked them. So you've been taking a nap late today?
You need one.
I need another one?
No.
How'd you know I needed another one?
That's new.
You just knew?
Uh-oh.
Thank you very much.
Can I run up?
No, that's 2. You don't need 3, do you?
You send me?
I think you need to go brush your teeth.
Why?
Because then your teeth will smell like mint. Okay, you can have 1 more and then that's all you have to get. Because then they're going to be gone. Let me see your mouth. You like those mints tonight? Are you putting everything down in there?
What?
That working for you?
Where's the spider book?
Where is the spider book? Do you want to see the spider book?
Yeah.
Well, reach in there and get it.
I don't want to.
You don't like that spider book? How come you don't like that spider book? Do you see it?
Yep, I see it.
You don't like the spider book?
I want my Diego thing.
You want the Diego book?
Yeah.
Can you reach in there and get the Diego book?
No.
Why?
There's too many books.
There's too many books. Mostly you don't like that spider book, huh?
A spider book, my other book, a purple book, and your book, and the Diego book. I can't reach my Diego book. There's too many books around.
Well, which book do you want? Just the Diego? Maybe you could ask Tiggs.
Can we get the Diego one?
Did you say please?
Please. This one? Yeah. This one? No. This one? Yeah. Okay.
Do you want Tiggs to read you the Diego one?
And you.
Because there's stickers for the darkness. You put them on and then they shine in the dark.
Where's the sticker?
In the back. There's a page with stickers. Do you want me to help you with it?
Where's the sticker? Where's the stickers?
They're in the back.
Where's them? Here?
Yeah.
Where's the stickers?
Turn the page one more time. Is that the sticker page? And Tigany, could you get Emma's little table out?
Yeah, is it here?
It's in there. In her chair.
Where's the stickers?
I'm going to have to help you look for the stickers. Let me see it. Can I help you find it?
Yeah.
Maybe the stickers are all gone. Let me see. Do you want to come downstairs and I'll get my glasses? I'll look for the stickers for you.
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
Down here, up there.
Down there.
I just got untied.
This got untied?
Yeah.
Do you need it to be tied?
Yeah.
You want it tied in the back or the front? In the back? I like your boots. Here, Antigone or Savannah, do you want to come schedule? Do you want to come take a picture? You can come record. As soon as I figure out how to stop it.